Hey guys, and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in, reset your password, and enroll in online banking in Suntrust Bank. First of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, type in suntrust.com. Hit enter. Then it will take you to the official homepage of Suntrust Bank, and there, in order to sign in to your account, click the option on the top right corner of the screen named Sign On, and there, enter your user ID, password, and click the right arrow button. And in any case, if you forgot your password, you can reset your password by clicking the option Forgot User ID/password. And there you'll get options I forgot my password, I forgot my user ID, and I forgot both my user ID and password. Tick the one which is suitable for you. In order to reset the password, click on the first option which is I forgot my password and click next. And then it will ask you if you want to use Suntrust debit card or Suntrust account number to reset your password. Click any option which is more suitable for you. I'll choose the debit card option. And there you'll have to enter your social security number's last 4 digit, Suntrust debit card number, and Suntrust debit card PIN. After entering all of those, click reset password, and there you can reset your password. And if you don't have an account, you can open one account by clicking the option open an account on the top right corner of the screen. And there on the bottom right of the screen, you can see a box where you have to choose your new account. Whether you want your account for personal checking, personal saving, credit card, loans, small business, or investment. Choose the category you want your new account to be, and it will again give you options on what type of account you want to create. And if you simply follow the steps, you can easily open a Suntrust online banking account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.